Good morning, children. So today we will be starting the term 2 syllabus, that is money and credit. Okay, already Shomi ma'am had started, but none of you have viewed the videos of money and credit first part. So I am starting it again. Okay, so today we will be starting with money and credit. Now, what is this money? It is money consists of the coins and the currency notes by which we buy many things and services. Okay, so money generally is a thing which is easily acceptable or readily acceptable by all, when we are buying anything, when we are buying goods or services. Okay, now money generally consists of what? The currency notes. Okay, that is the 10 rupees notes, 20 rupees note, 100, 50, 2000, 500, all these notes, and the coins. It also consists of checks, which can be also used in the transactions. Okay, so the three forms of money are currency, coins, and the checks. Okay, now have you ever thought that why this money is readily acceptable by all? Because on the order of the government, it has the power. On the order of the government, money has got the power to act as a medium of exchange. So whenever we move to buy any goods or any services, like when we go to a doctor, when we go to visit a lawyer, or when you go for tuitions, anything, any services we are taking, easily it can be bought or it can be exchanged in terms of money. Because according to the law of the country, according to the law of the government, these notes and coins, these checks have to be accepted as money. Okay, now many of you have heard about the barter system. In the earlier times, what used to happen? Goods had to be exchanged for goods. Like, if I am producing wheat, suppose I am producing wheat, okay, and I want to buy shoes by selling that wheat. Now, in case of barter system, I have to find a person who is selling shoes, and that person has to be interested in buying the wheat that I am producing. So I am producing wheat and I want to buy shoes in exchange of wheat. In barter economy, there is no money. Goods are exchanged for goods.